According to a Facebook post by DEPED Undersecretary Ann Sevilla, dated June 1, 2021, the Interagency Task Force on the Harmonization of National Government Performance Monitoring Information and Reporting Systems has released the letter below announcing the eligibility of the Department of Education Office of the Secretary for the grant of the fiscal year 2019 Performance-Based Bonus or PBB. However, there are a few offices which are exempted due to non-compliance. Certain units or persons in the school division officers, regional offices, and central office were identified as ineligible. All schools, teaching and non-teaching, and all finance positions are eligible from levels of school, division office, regional office, and central office. The Department of Education is now coordinating with Department of Budget Management (DBM) to start processing of the release of PBB 2019 on the basis of this official eligibility certification from the AO25 IATF. In an article published in the official website of DEPED last March 16, 2021, after the confirmation of eligibility of the Department of Education by the AO25TF, the Department of Budget and Management, DBM, will facilitate the releases of the bonuses. The school-based personnel will be the first ones to receive their bonuses, then the SDO-based personnel who are assigned in the schools comes next, followed by school division offices, regional offices, and lastly, the central office. DBM will download the funds to its regional offices, then directly releases them to the Department of Education regional offices and schools division offices to the respective personnel eligible for the grant of PBB. Payout for PBB 2019 will depend on the submission of validated reports from schools and field offices. The processing time of which by AO25TF depends on the completeness of documents submitted during the validation period, ranking, eligibility and isolation list, and downloading of funds from DBM to the regional offices to schools division offices and schools divisio offices to personnel. Meanwhile, Undersecretary Mateo also provided updates for the 2020 and 2021 PBB. For 2020, the department aims for recalibration to make sure that the Department of Education will be fully eligible and no one will be isolated from the PBB. The Undersecretary also reminded offices to be mindful of the deadlines for the submissions of indicators for future PBBs. While waiting for the 2019 PBB, Undersecretary Sevilla urged the Department of Education personnel to continue providing quality service to the people and to remain committed, dedicated, and devoted to supporting the programs of the department for the learners and the education sector.